Did you know that simply being outdoor, especially in the rain, can make a difference in your well being? Yes, the sounds of rain and the fresh air have a calming effect on your nervous system, reducing the cortisol level and helping you feel more relaxed. Whether it rain or sunshine, nature triggers the release of endorphins, those feel good chemicals in your brain that lift your mood and leave you feel more happier. So, next time it rains, take a moment to step outside and reconnect with nature.